Hello. Already cooked my tinolang manok. Chicken with lemongrass is already cooked. Look at that. Masarap. This is my lunch with rice. No. Kain tayo. Let's eat. So, sarap. Gutom na ako. I'm so hungry. Oh, already cooked. You know, I can eat many because I'm too hungry. Gutom na gutom. Mukhang masarap na. Yan. Masarap ito ang sabaw. The soup. Yung soup niya, masarap. Nako, maubos ko ito. Can eat many rice. This. Look at that. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nini Strong Life. Now, let's eat now. Look at that. And then, I make it cappuccino. Cappuccino. Moment. I'm back. Sorry because I make my cappuccino. I like very much to drink cappuccino, you know, or macchiato. Macchiato or cappuccino, yeah. Yan. So, look at that, my food. My lunch. I'm alone to eat. This is style Filipino. Pork with spoon. Europe, only pork with knife. In Philippines, always with spoon. Masarap. I will taste now. Sarap. Taste now lemongrass. You can cook to like this. Try it. Very tasty. Yeah. This is from my garden. The green leaves. Awesome. Ano ulam nyo? Sa akin ito, tinulang manok na may tanglad. This is a chicken soup with lemongrass, like that. This is style, this is Ilonggos menu in the Negros, Visayas. Philippines. Dan cappuccino. That's it. Cappuccino. Cheers. Toast. I'm alone to eat. My husband not eat when for the lunch. Later he eat in around 5 o'clock. or 6 o'clock. He ate only once a day. Before he ate lots. Because he's getting older, then he eats only not a lot. He eats only little. That's why I'm going 10. Because he's already 63. And I like very much to eat vegetables, fruits, really the nutritions. Just make it long life. But my husband he don't like to eat too much vegetables and fruits. He loves to eat meat, noodles, like that. So that's why sometimes I cook my own menu. He cooked to his own menu and I cook my own menu because he don't like to eat my food. My food he has problem to eat my food, the nutrition, because it's no fat, no fat. It's not fatty. My cook husband, he cook too much fat. That's why I cannot eat. It's not my style, so fatty food. Möchtest du essen, Karl? Hähnchensuppe mit Reis.
Ich esse zuerst mal noch meine Nudeln.
Wo ist der Nudeln?
So.
I asked him if he likes to eat my chicken. When he eat vegetables, he said he had still food, the noodles. That's he loves very much to eat noodles. That's his favorite. Noodles. Masarap kas, may manok.
Werde ich wieder heute
Ich hab
Abend.
gekocht mit Zitronen Gras. And mit Bohnen und from my garden Gemüse. Their language, German, is not easy. For me, it's not easy. Cannot perfect. That's why, especially my husband, not talkative, is very silent. So, I cannot learn more because he's silent. He's very quiet man. But I like very much if somebody talk with me in German. Because I'm talkative. In my work, yeah, you speak German. They talk with me. So you can learn more. Was hast du gemacht, mein Laptop? Hast du geupdate oder was? Du hast gesagt.
Das ist fertig. Kannst du jetzt
Fertig.
benutzen. Kann man jetzt hochholen. Da war noch mal dieses große Update, das ist noch mal gekommen.
Ja.
Das ging aber da viel schneller.
Okay. Good. My husband bought apples, many. But he did not eat much apple. I'm the one to eat, or grandson. My husband, as he's lazy to eat the apple. But if you clean or you slice, then when I give him, then he eat. We don't like only to get that on to make on to make on to yung ito tamad magkuha. This lazy to get one apple or slice to eat for eating. That's why. He likes to eat the fruits. Only he's lazy to prepare his fruit. Okay. Look at that. The juice. This is the juice for my husband. Very big bottle. You know how much only this that we bought? Only €1. Kas no?
2.
€1 da?
Euro.
Huh?
2, 2.
€2? No. 1.99?
1,99, ja.
Ah, so 1.99, so almost €2 now. But very big. How many liters this?
5.
5 liters. Had also, this is orange, had also, what is this? Lemon juice. Yeah. You know, this bottle is big. 5 liters. I did no need to throw because if we're going to go out, outside to breathe the fresh air in the forest. Yeah. There in the other forest had what is this? The Bronnen well. Yeah, the well. That water is very fresh. Spring water. Kasi no? It's a spring water and cold. And very, very is good water. So, and then we make it full this. We have already 3 bottles. We make it full and walk. Of course, you must be patient to carry this. But it's free the water there. Then you buy. You must pay, you know. That is our idea. Kasi no? Realize this coming on Sunday or what when it's good weather, not so hot, then we visit there in the Bronnen. The well, then we bring 2 bottles or 3 to get fresh water, spring water. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or shares. Thank you very much for all my viewers, subscribers, and likers. I hope you like it, my film, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you, and wish you have a nice day, and God bless. Bye. Cheers.